Hello everyone, welcome to All About IELTS powered by Savior Education Abroad. Today I am going to discuss next type of questions in IELTS listening, that is matching information. Matching information में होता क्या है, किस तरह का क्वेश्चन होता है, पहले हम देखेंगे how the question looks like. On your screen you can see that a box is given with a list of options arranged in alphabetical order and a set of questions below that to match with the options in the box. तो अब इसमें आपने करना क्या है? So सबसे पहले read the question carefully, then read the options given in the box and try to match the options with the question. So while doing that, think of possible synonyms and paraphrasing here, because the options given in the box will always be paraphrased. And एक चीज का और ध्यान रखना है, there will be more options than the question. So question से ज़्यादा options होंगे. So you might not use all the options over here. And then the answers are in the random order, but the questions जो होंगे वो same order में होंगे जो recording में होंगे. So now let's see an example. On your screen you can see that a list of options is given in a box arranged in an alphabetical order and a set of questions is given from 25 to 30. So the questions is about natural dyes and the audio script given. So यहाँ पे हम audio script के साथ आंसर को मैच करेंगे. क्वेश्चन में दिया गया है टर्मरिक, अब हमने इसको ऑप्शंस के साथ मैच करना है ऑडियो स्क्रिप्ट रीड करके. सो द ऑडियो स्क्रिप्ट सेज व्हाट नेचुरल डाइज डिड यू लुक एट. द ट्यूटर सेज व्हाट नेचुरल डाइज डिड यू लुक एट. जिम सेज वेल वन वाज टर्मरिक, द कलर इज ग्रेट, द कलर्स ग्रेट, इट्स रियली स्ट्रॉन्ग येलो, इट्स जनरली यूज्ड इन डिशेस लाइक करी. Tutor says it's meant to be quite good for your health when eaten, but you might find it's not permanent when it is used as a dye, a few washes and it is gone. So अगर हम यहाँ पे paraphrasing की बात करते हैं तो list of options में आप देख सकते हो. First one is given, it is expensive, nothing is mentioned about that. Second says the color is too strong, okay, वो भी नहीं होगा. But third says the color is not long lasting. Not long lasting matches with a few washes and it's gone. So the answer is paraphrased over here. वहाँ पे दिया है a few washes and gone, यहाँ पे not long lasting. So not long lasting is a paraphrased answer, right? So option C is the correct option for first question, that is turmeric. Now for next set of questions you can try by yourself by reading the audio script. So that's all for today. Stay tuned with our channel. Until then, happy learning.